Hi guys, it's Ray. It is Butterfly Lane Designs sub box time. This is the January 2025 first box of the year. So we're going to get into this. I do want to mention that the new sub box is open, the February sub box. I will put links down below. Also, Jessica has launched her new website, BLD Print Co. So I will link that down below. She's going to do more other items, laptop skins. There should be some home decor coming. I don't even know what else she has up her sleeve for that. So that's pretty exciting. So if you want to check that out as well, that would be great. And let's get right into this. Here we go. Oh, this is beautiful already. Look at that. This print is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, very, very spring colors, and boy, do I wish it was spring. And here is a wrap. This is a can wrap. Remember, you can cut them apart if you don't do cans to put on regular tumblers or whatever. We might do that with this one because I don't believe I have any cans, but I'll look. I am pretty low on supplies. And this is the UV DTF, and this one, Grow Positive Thoughts, is also UV DTF. So you can put these on anything, even if you're not sealing them, a coffee mug, a tumbler, whatever you want. Grow Positive Thoughts and Grow Your Mind. I know normally we leave the decals for after the vinyl, so let's do that. There's this stunning one we've been looking at. This is really, really pretty. And this one is also pretty. A little bit brighter floral. Pansies or violas. I get them backwards. But these are very pretty. This one's fun. Cactus succulents. We love that. Kind of a harlequin print, which goes with this. Love it. I've been wanting to do a striped tumbler, and I've been looking for two. I need to go back through my other stuff. But this might be the ticket. We'll see. Oh, and a floral in my colors. That's rare to see. Love that. And one last pastel-y floral. So very, very bright in spring. I absolutely love this because if you're like me, you are completely over winter. So let's see what decals we have to go with these. I'm nicer than my face looks. Cactus makes perfect. Classy with a side of savage. You are brave, loved, kind, capable, and worthy. And know your worth, then raise the bar. So, those are our decals to work with. And obviously, the UV ones. So, there we go. That is everything for this sub box. Again, the new sub boxes are open already, and this one is a clear print. So do be mindful of that. And that is everything for the sub box. Links will be down below, and hopefully I can get it together and actually make something with these. So that is it for this one. I will see you next time.